And we'd like to, of course, welcome them to ASAP 09, home of winners. Guys, maraming salamat po sa USTV Awards for awarding ASAP 09 as the most popular variety show for 3 years in a row.
Straight.
It certainly means a lot to us. Thank you very much.
Congratulations to all the winners, Anne and John Lloyd, for the awards that they now hold. The best actor or actor in a daily soap opera, and for the Students' Choice for actress in a soap opera, Sarah Geronimo, of course, the most popular local music video performer. Yeah.
So, once again, thank you very much, USTV Awards, sa lahat ng students and teachers, at sa lahat ng bumoto sa amin. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng students, lahat ng Kumashans. Maraming salamat po. At syempre, bilang pasasalamat sa inyo, marami kaming sorpresa ngayon. Syempre, we have the cast of the newest and upcoming teleserye. Ang teen serye, ang Your Song presents Underage. At hindi lang yan. At hindi lang yan. Syempre, ang pinaka-inaabangan na pelikula since last year pa. Ay, ang movie ni Sarah tsaka ni John. You changed my life!
I should be there. Good luck.
Abangan din ang isang ASAP Kissing Room special. And of course, D-Line, Pop Icons, SOS. By the way, Piolo, congratulations sa gabi.
Oh, thank you.
Congratulations. And of course, andun ang Cover Boys, It Girl Sessionistas, at YRS. Andyan pa ang Ibra ng Bamboo. Abang Gwen at may special celebration din ng dalawang birthday girls na napaka-sexy at napakaganda si Miss Roxanne Gro and Anne Curtis.
Yeah!
Thank you!
At syempre, sobrang excited sa gagawin natin later. Yes. And Sarah.
Yes.
Sarah, congratulations sa iyong USTV Awards.
Ay, thank
And
you. Thank you.
would you like to thank
Sa mga
yes.
teachers, UST, maraming salamat. Thank you po sa lahat ng pagsuporta ninyo sa Primetime Bida. Yeah! Eto na, guys. Ano? Eto na! Magsisimula na ang kasama si Chivas. Hatid namin sa inyo ngayon ang victory party ng First Pinoy Beer Packer and
Post ka na, oh!
at si Johnny. At ang big reunion niya
Post ka na, oh!
with the Pinoy Beer Packer participant. Yeah!
See you later. You better leave them alone.